Hi, this is Vitaly Vengert. By now you've probably received my emails in which I ask for your help and input on the software project that I'm working on. And actually I've gotten a very good response from many of you already. But some of you have expressed the fact that you're a little bit confused as to what I'm doing, or maybe you just didn't have the time to read my emails. And so I've decided to make this easy for you and record this video in which I will briefly explain what I'm doing and why I really need your help. We all use load boards. Carriers use it to find loads for their trucks. Brokers use it to post the loads. Actually, brokers use additional lead tracking and dispatching software. Now, having been a carrier and a broker myself, I know perfectly well the lack of many useful features in all the current systems available out there to us. And I'm talking about features that will actually make my job easier and free up a lot of my time so I can tend to other things of my business. So what I've decided to do is actually build a new system that would include all the useful features that we really need to be successful, especially in today's economy. So what I want to do now is list some of the few most important features, in my opinion, that a successful load board should have. So the first one is an I've had enough of cheap loads market-driven pricing system, which will enable you as the carrier to establish your own price by bidding in real time on a posted load. Basically, this is a win-win situation for both the carrier and those who post their loads, because the vehicles will get moved fast and at the current fair market value. Second would be a time-saving live chat system, which will connect the carrier to the broker in real time, so you can quickly chat with the dispatcher without making a phone call or waiting on hold. Third is a make my job easy automatic refresh system, letting you take your fingers off the mouse buttons and forget about the fear of being late to book your load. The page will automatically refresh up to every second and will sound an alert every time a new load pops up. And last, an extremely convenient 24-hour load and location updating system, enabling the driver to call in any time of the day using an automated system and update his location and load status by following a few prompts. As you can see, these four things that I just named for you will save you a lot of time and frustration, and will actually enable you to do what you do best, and that's make more money. Now here's why I really need your help. I want to build a system that has every possible useful feature, but I can't think of them all, and I really need your input so that I can include everything that is really needed. Not only that sounds cool, but there's something that you really need. So what I've done is I've created a web page with a few questions, and I ask that you go to that web page and answer them, giving me everything you would like to see in the load board and dispatch software. And don't hold anything back. Let your ideas flow. When we launch our site, everyone will get 1 free month of service. But as a way of saying thank you for your participation, I will be giving you an additional free month of service just for answering a few questions. So I'll end by saying this. My intention is to build a system that will save you a lot of time and leave more money in your pocket at the end of the day. So I ask that we do this together and that we do this quickly, and finally take back our industry from those who think we will work for free, because we won't. I'll be waiting for your responses.